It's a new week, so it's a new market bag. So we're back in Carnation Market to talk to some vendors, but this week we're doing something different. We're talking to a woman who has been here for over 4 decades to hear her story and hear how the market has changed. This is Market Bag. Stay with us. How long you staying at the market?
50 years, me before my children them born. I love Eagle. Because my husband was an Eagle. Before then, he used to do shipment. Ship yam and something there.
How many kids?
2. 1 boy, 1 girl.
It's ready.
Somebody who much you want?
Just one bag.
300. Thanks. Me just sell cabbage and something my husband would come in pan truck and thing. Or since in dead now, I jack up the color and okra. And from 1919 then. I told my grandparents there right now.
Oh, so you're doing now to help your grandkids?
I'm going to college now, so I want, you know, the kingdom. Because I said, there are 4, and then father, everybody at work, so in life.
So, how the market look to you for the Christmas also?
Christmas? Yes, Christmas. No Christmas like that. We not get no Christmas. And Sam coming, at $1,500 for 1 pound of hot pepper. $1,500 for 1 pound of sweet pepper. $400 for green barrel. That's right? 500 for that's right? Because when Sam coming, everything them have to sky high. And we can't buy. But if Sam coming in, I put together a good amount of color. So we not get the okra. But the farmer, they might sell it high price. And we can't buy it. And we're poor.
Not much has changed for prices this week on Market Bag, but you just heard the story of a vendor here in Carnation Market who calls herself Mama. Stay tuned for the next episode.